Hi beautiful ones, I wish to join this context of making egusi soup with just 1,000 naira. I was coming back from church. I told myself I'm around the market, let me go ahead and pick things I need to make this egusi. You think it's possible to make egusi soup with just 1,000 naira? So today we're going to try it and see how it works out. So I'm around the market, so very soon we'll approach to where I will be picking my things to make this egusi soup. Just check it out. Is it possible to make egusi soup with just 1,000 naira? Today we're going to try it and we'll see the outcome. Just make sure you stick to this video and don't forget to like this video, comment, and feel free to like my video. I love you so much. I'm already in the market. I'll be making egusi soup with just 1,000 naira. Let's see how it goes out today. Okay, join me as we pick the ingredients we need for this particular egusi soup. A lot is happening in Nigeria, but I believe 1,000 naira egusi soup, yes, we can try it, we can do it. You have fresh fish. How much do you sell? You have no one now. Is it possible? So we are here to try it. That's why I'm buying all these things now. So we're trying to try out the egusi soup with just 1,000 naira. So I have my fresh fish for 350 naira. I'll be giving him balance of 50 naira. So it's already 350. Okay, I'm back again. I need egusi, a cup, how much? No, I need 300 a cup. Just give me 300, you blend it. Crayfish is how much? I'll be buying one crayfish, 100 naira. Hot leaf is how much? 50 naira hot leaf. Okay, I'll be collecting one hot leaf, 50 naira. What next? Maggi, 50 naira. Are you sure? Maggi, give me no Maggi, 50 naira. Red oil, 100 naira. Mommy, please, if you have 150, give me for the hot food. And let him give me change. Measure egusi, 300 egusi, a cup of egusi, 300 naira.
That one is okay.
300 is okay. We are trying to make egusi soup with 1,000 naira. That's what we are trying to achieve. So we want to see how possible is it.
It's very possible.
To get egusi soup 1,000 naira.
It's very possible.
So the crayfish is 100 naira, right? Yeah. Can you sieve it and blend together for me? Sieve it and blend for me. Blend it together if possible. Okay.
How much oil did you mention?
Just 100 naira oil. Okay, right now he's blending in the crayfish into the egusi already. He sieved it before blending. So we'll get our red oil here for 100 naira. We are here to try egusi soup with just 1,000 naira. Do you think it's possible in this Nigeria? Okay, my brother said it's possible to make egusi soup with 1,000 naira. So our red oil for 100 naira.
Wow.
50 naira Maggi. Bring a ladder so that we'll be seeing everything that you're adding at the same time. And let's calculate. Okay. Right here we have our hot leaf. Hot leaf is 50 naira. Yes, egusi is very nice. Very, very nice with egusi.
Okay, we have
very
egusi
nice.
300.
Egusi 300 with crayfish. Okay.
Oil 100 naira.
Red oil 100 naira.
Maggi 50.
Maggi 50.
50.
Okay.
This one 50.
50. Okay. 600. Okay. So you can give me change. That means it's remaining fresh pepper and 50 naira for the fresh fish man. Thank you so much. Just more. You give me 50 naira, please. Let me give you 50 naira. You are 50 naira. Okay, you give me a for 50 naira. get the fresh fish man. I'm owing him 50 naira. Just small for 50 naira. I'm okay. This is pepper for 50 naira. We are trying to make egusi soup with just 1,000 naira.
Wow.
We're trying our best. Okay, we'll give you 50 naira. We'll give you 50 naira. Thank you so much. We are done. Heading home to make egusi soup for 1,000 naira. I'm back from the market. Let's see what's in our bag. This hot leaf, 50 naira hot leaf. This one is egusi 300 with crayfish 100 naira, well blended. I have oil for 50 naira, 100 naira. That's red oil for 100 naira. Egusi and crayfish for 400, oil 500, hot leaf 450, maggi 50 naira, that's 600, pepper 50 naira, that's 650, plus 350 naira for fresh fish. That's total of 1,000 naira. So right now I'll wash and set every prepare and cut everything. Firstly, I will add water to my egusi soup. I love soaking I'll soak it with a little normal water and I allow it to rest. So right now I need to wash my fresh fish, cut my fresh pepper and hot leaf. Right now I'm done arranging all the ingredients. Our fresh fish well washed, this hot leaf well shredded, this maggi I'll only be using one. I'm okay. This is my soaked egusi with crayfish, fresh pepper and oil. So heading to the pot. In a dry pot I'll add my fresh fish and I will add some water. I don't like the head, so I will not be putting the head. I'll not be adding the head, so I'll add water. Sprinkle some pepper, add salt and no cube. I'm not adding the head as I said before, so I'll just sprinkle salt and seasoning cube and cover to boil. The water is not much, so I'll be adding little more water. You can see it's boiling pretty well, so I'm going to remove the fresh fish. I don't want it to melt, so I'm going to remove it and remove the fish stock. Allow the pot to dry. You add your red oil, add your soaked egusi and you begin to fry. I don't like frying my own much, so I will not fry much. I will just add the stock and allow it to kick up. I'll be adding my remaining nut cube, and I'll add water to it and stir and allow it to kick up. Add a sprinkled some salt and I'll allow it to kick up. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'll still allow it. Right now I'll be adding my protein and I'll stay and still cover. Allow it to cook for a while. This is yummy. Wow, it's looking nice already. So beautiful. I'll add more water to our soup and cover and allow it to cook. Wow, I love the way it's boiling. Okay, I'll add my remaining pepper and my shredded hot leaf. This soup is ready. Wow, 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 wow. This soup is ready. At least this soup can serve me 2 times, if not 3. At least for me, I think it will take me up to 3 times. This soup is ready, looking so beautiful. Please, if you have not liked my video, please like, comment, feel free to give me thumbs up, feel free to comment. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Seriously, subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. I'm a baker. I put up different cake recipes and cake decoration videos. If you love cake, you love small chop, you love pastries, make sure to subscribe to this lovely channel. I put up food recipes, and don't forget to subscribe. Open up your notification bell. Thanks a million for watching. I love you. Bye bye.